Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will learn how to monetize your knowledge with a free TagMango account. You should pay only if you are confident in this coaching business. This video is completely for free users of TagMango who want to test their coaching skills and how to monetize their existing knowledge. So if you are the one who want to searching for this for passive income, this is the right video for you. So friends, for that people, I have created how to start with a free TagMango account, creation of a payment link and thank you page, and how to set a webinar, and how to send emails to students, how to upload courses. After paying you, how to get access directly the courses in the free account and comfortably run your weekly calls and email automation. So if you watch these 6 videos, half the work in your coaching business have already completed. In the next part of the video, how to withdraw money and landing page and coupon creation. Some of the videos out of these 6 you can check which are useful for the free members. Like this, we are updating different videos in this platform like tagmango.net. So you can visit this website and start your coaching journey for free and earn like a pro. This is the website. You should walk through each and every field mentioned here, like features, pricing, latest offers. So current right now Black Friday offer is going on. How to get that one? And 6-day challenge already completed. If there are any offers, you can get the latest offers from this field and tutorials. Everything organized in a stepwise manner. So you can start your journey as a coach using this free platform and explore the website, pricing structure, plans, any questions, and there is a free 3-hour Mango Launchpad. Actually, they will charge double nine, but here you will get the free. So use this link and get the 3-hour free course. And there are some resources are mentioned here. Yeah, I have given directly contact, so you can use this platform. Here, why Tag Mango is best. There also I have given my opinion when compared to other platforms in 2025. So read that blog. If you want any information regarding to this TagMango free account or features, let me know below the video as a comment or you can directly contact me. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next video.